Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If apps are not working on your system, then watch this video to fix them. First thing we need to do is just simply restart the computer. So go to the start button, go to the power button and then click on restart. If there are any temporary files or services which are causing the apps not to work, this should clear this right out and the app should open. But if it doesn't, then another thing we need to do is update the app. So we'll go to Microsoft Store and we will go to library. Right here we will click on update all, or you can here update all, right? And you can also click on get updates, and once you click on get updates you can click on update all, and that should solve the issue. Now if that too doesn't solve the issue, then we can do a Windows update. Right click on the start button, the settings button, and we can go to Windows update. Click on check for updates, and once if there's any update available, we will click on install, and we will go here also in advanced options, optional updates, and you can see there's a driver update, so you can click on download and install. Expand this, yes, select this and click on download and install. Now once that is installed, just restart the computer by clicking on the start button, the power button, and clicking on restart. Now by this time, or after all these solutions, the apps should normally start itself, or it should open. But in the rare case that it doesn't open, then we can repair and reset the app. So right click on the start button, go to settings, click on apps, and then click on installed apps, and let us take the example of an app like Microsoft ClickChamp. So click on the three buttons here, click on advanced options, and then click on repair and wait for the check mark, and then click on reset again, and then wait for the tick mark and check if it opens. But if it doesn't open, then we need to uninstall the app. Click on uninstall, and then we'll just have to reinstall it by going to the Windows Store. If it's not in Windows Store, or if you have downloaded from a browser, then you can also go to the browser and then look for the application and then download it from the website of the software. Don't download it from any other third-party website, because it could possibly contain a virus or some real hideous malware which can cause problems to your system. Now the next thing we can do, the next two steps we can do, which will definitely solve the issue, is to make sure that the application identity service is started. So we'll go to services and we'll look for the application identity service. Here it is, application identity. Right click on it and then click on restart, but go to properties, make sure it's in automatic, click on apply. Okay, it doesn't work that way, then you can switch it back to manual and click on apply, click on OK. Fine, let's just restart it. Click on yes, and then we will run a malware scan. So we'll go to virus and threat protection, and then we will click on scan options. Now if you're using the pre-installed Windows antivirus, then you can click on scan options. If you're using a third-party app like AVG or Norton, then you can run the scan in that app. So click on scan protection, full scan, and then click on scan now. And then if it detects any antivirus, if it detects any virus, or any malware, just click on the start button, click on the power button, and click on restart, because the virus would have been removed by the app. Then your app should start working. There should be no issues after all these solutions are followed. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy the day.